Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brown with InkandInspirations.com. Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I wanted to show you a really sweet card made with the Free as a Bird bundle in the new Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. Actually, I'm just using a sentiment and one of these beautiful stitched nested labels dies. Okay, so let's get started. I have a piece of Pool Party cardstock, and it is cut at 4 1/4 by 11 and scored at 5 1/2. Okay, so that's going to be our card base. Then I have a piece of this beautiful Bird Ballad Designer Series paper. I'm using this one with the little bird cages on the front here. The back is gorgeous too. I'll be showing you a card with that made soon. And so that's going to go over top. Let's just go ahead and attach that. And it leaves about a 1/4 inch border around the edge. Okay. And now in a previous video, I had done this little piece here. I have stamped the sentiment, die cut it with one of the stitched labels die cuts, and I applied this lace to the back very easily, and I'm going to use that as the focal point. Okay, so I'm just going to lay that gently right there, but I need something to frame out that sentiment. Okay, so what I've done is I've stamped and colored some of the flowers and the foliage from the Free as a Bird stamp set, and I've already colored them with my Stampin' Blends. Okay, so here's the leaves and then the flowers, and so we're just going to arrange those. I'm going to put some snail here in the middle and just attach it right here where I want it. Okay, now let's frame that out. Okay, so I think I want this leaf here. So let me just put a little bit of adhesive. And I'm going to use a snail instead of the liquid glue so I don't make too much of a mess here. All right, you could use your fine tip glue on these little small pieces as well. And now I have one of these florals, and then here's another one. I believe I want this one to go down first. And so I'm just going to put that right there. Then this one is going to go right here, and I think I'm going to pop that up with a Stampin' Dimensional. Put one of those on the back, and let's get that where it overlaps that other flower just a bit. But I don't want to cover my sentiment, and I don't want to cover the leaves. Okay, so now for here, I have a large and a small flower, and I'm going to decide I'm just going to use one. I think I'm definitely going to use the large one. So let me go ahead and put the piece of foliage, and because I only put the adhesive in the middle, it lets me lift that up to slip that beneath. Okay, so let's get some adhesive on these leaves. And we want it coming down like that. And then another Stampin' Dimensional. To just layer over top like that. Okay, there is our card. Now, I have to add a little bit of something. It just kind of finishes it off. And there we go. Let me get my Take Your Pick tool, and let's add some pearls. Let me get a large one there, and then one of the smaller ones. And then another large one down here. Okay, and I'll save this flower for another card. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Try framing out your sentiments where you overlap images and just play with it. You'll come up with some really great ideas, I know. Okay, take care and let me know if you have questions. Have a great day. Bye-bye.